What up, people, and welcome to the last school. So, in the previous tutorial, we were talking about the else if, and in this tutorial, we're going to talk about the switch. So, to get started, you guys want to create a variable and name the variable name and set it to whatever your name is. Mine's going to be Enrique because my name is Enrique. So, in order to write switch, just write switch. If I could even spell switch wrong, what the heck is wrong with me? Switch. Are you kidding me? Sorry guys, something's wrong with my head. Alright, so make the curly braces, and inside the parentheses you guys want to add the name variable because we're going to test this. And then we're just gonna write case Enrique, and I'll tell you why in a minute, and add the colon, and then echo hey boss, and then break, and then just copy this and add it. Oh man. Alright, let me just fix this. Alright, so let me change this to Dan. Hey student, and this to Bob. Hey teach. Alright, so right now we're saying in case the variable name is Enrique, we're just gonna say hey boss. In case the name is Dan, we're gonna say hey student, and in case the name is Bob, we're gonna say hello teacher. But if the name is Enrique, we're gonna run this code and then we're gonna break. Break means we're just gonna forget about this code and just run this code. And then one thing is that what if the name variable is not equal to none of them? For example, Enrique, Dan, or Bob, and it's someone else. So you guys want to do a default which is default, and then colon, and then echo no one with that name exists, and save it. And now let's echo this out. It's gonna say hey boss because we have a match. If we do this with Dan, save, it's gonna say hey student, hey student. Same with Bob, hey teacher. But say we have a name and we name it Ed, save, it's gonna say no one with that name exists. So let's test this out. No one with that name exists. So in order for this to work, the switch to work, it has to match the name that you guys have in here in your case. But if none of your cases have a match for that, then we're gonna go with the default, which is no one with that name exists. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment, rate, or subscribe.